In this video, we're going to show you how to install the visor clip in your Nissan Rogue, located right here beside your visor. Let's fold our visor down, snap that off and swing it off to the side. Grab your visor clip. Twist that out. You release the tabs here. Pull out the insert, take the new component, twist that out, line up the insert, snap that into place, install the new unit, and lock it in. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.